Hi everybody, welcome to your Peek into Pink today. Thanks so much for just joining us and having some fun with us. My name is Reagan Danforth House, and I am very excited to get to bring a new and improved, extremely special product to you guys, and it is the TimeWise Repair Volu-firm Lifting Serum. Now it comes in the set of the Volu-firm Repair skincare line, so if you are wanting to fight advanced signs of aging, that is the perfect skincare line. You get so much bang for your buck. It's so wonderful. But today I'm going to talk to you specifically about the serum. And it comes in this airless pump, and so whenever you use it, believe it or not, one pump is enough for a complete application, and it is specifically for what they call the triangle of youth. So this area from here down the neck, so it's the jawline, the cheeks, all right here, this is the area where we can get sagging and creping, and it can really start to age us. And so this particular product is designed specifically for that area. And so when you use it, one of the ways it's recommended is to get your fingertips damp, put one pump in, and then you literally apply it lifting upward, and you want it from the neck or right around the collarbone up to the cheekbones. Now, I have to tell you that what I love most about this product, because I don't have a lot of advanced signs of aging here, although I am starting to see a little bit, so I do want to be proactive and start using this more and more consistently on that neck area. But where I've been using this product before we came out with this even new and improved formula has actually been under my arms here and on my tummy and even on the tops of my knees. Those are the areas that I have found that as women get older, we do start getting that kind of, what do they call that? Oh, chicken neck or something like that they call it under here. And so I really want this area to stay nice and lifted and firm. And then also after having two boys who and no waistline, so I just got really big. And so I have, just that loose creping skin right above my bikini line, like right on that lower tummy area, all the way up to basically my belly button that does not look like it used to look. And so I have noticed a significant improvement in the firmness of that skin. So if you've had babies, or maybe you have had some extreme weight loss and you're finding that you have that extra skin, that is not an area that the company is, specifically targeting or officially claiming, but me personally, my experience has been that I've seen really wonderful results by not only putting the product here, but also putting it here. If I could bathe in it, I would. So I encourage you guys to just give it a try. Not only is the formula even more advanced to reduce the signs of aging and creping and sagging, it's like a neck lift in a jar, but the packaging has been updated. And so you can see this beautiful jar. It has this airless pump, which means it's not gonna let any air inside the product, and so that makes the product last longer and stay more effective because it's not oxygenating. And then it also has a little see-through here, so you can see as you're running lower on the product. The other thing about this pump is that it makes sure that there is no product wasted, and I have absolutely, with all of these products, like the same thing with our day and night creams, they have these really cool airless pumps. You can't really see it, sorry, and I'm facing the window so that you can see me, but it makes it a little bright. And I have like crowbarred these things open after I was done just to see, and sure enough, I mean, there was not even one, I could not even scrape together one little application left. So it really does make sure that you are getting all to the very last drop of this product. So I hope that you'll give it a try. Contact your consultant today if you have any more questions about it. And of course, you can also go onto her website, marykay.com, and then she has, her own login there. So hope you're having a beautiful day. Thanks so much again for joining us.